Did you know that a digital artwork as an NFT recently sold for a whopping $69 million at Christie's auction house? Quite a head-turner, isn't it? Welcome to the surprising and often bewildering world of non-fungible tokens, or NFTs. These unique digital assets are making waves in the art world and beyond, commanding unbelievable prices and redefining the concept of ownership in the digital era. Intrigued yet? Stick around to learn more about these valuable tokens. Dive into the world of NFTs, or non-fungible tokens. You may be wondering, what exactly are NFTs? Well, they're a type of digital asset, each one unique and distinct from the others. This sets them apart from cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, which are fungible, meaning each unit is identical to the next. NFTs, however, are built on blockchain technology, the same decentralized secure ledger system that underpins cryptocurrencies. But unlike Bitcoin or Ethereum, an NFT can't be exchanged on a like-for-like basis. This is because no two NFTs are the same, even those within the same collection. This unique nature of NFTs has opened up new possibilities in the digital world. They can represent ownership of a specific item or piece of content, such as digital art, music, or even virtual real estate. NFTs are revolutionizing digital ownership, making it possible to own and trade unique pieces of digital content. But why are NFTs so important, you might wonder? Well, their uses are as varied and unique as the tokens themselves. One primary use is in the realm of digital art. Artists can mint their work as NFTs, providing a new way to sell and collect art in the digital space. Music is another area where NFTs are making waves. Musicians can sell their songs as NFTs, letting fans own a unique piece of their favorite tunes. But the uses don't stop at art and music. Enter the world of virtual real estate. Yes, you heard right. Virtual property in digital worlds can be bought and sold as NFTs. And let's not forget digital collectibles like virtual pets or trading cards. These aren't just pixels on a screen, but unique owned assets thanks to NFTs. In essence, NFTs are revolutionizing the digital economy and creative industries, providing new ways to own, trade, and invest in digital assets. The possibilities with NFTs are as endless as the digital world itself. Scene script. Ready to dive in? Here's how you can buy and sell NFTs. To start, you have to choose a marketplace. There are many platforms where NFTs are bought and sold, but some of the most popular are OpenSea and Rarible. These platforms host a wide variety of NFTs, from digital art to virtual real estate. Next, you'll need a digital wallet. This is where your NFTs will be stored. Think of it as your personal crypto bank account. There are many wallet options out there, but MetaMask is a common choice due to its user-friendly interface and compatibility with most NFT marketplaces. Now let's talk currency. NFT transactions typically happen with Ethereum, a type of cryptocurrency. So you'll need to fill your digital wallet with some Ethereum to start buying. There are many ways to purchase Ethereum, but a common method is through a cryptocurrency exchange like Coinbase. Once you've set up your wallet and loaded it with Ethereum, you can start shopping. Browse the marketplace, find an NFT you love, and click Buy. The NFT will be transferred to your digital wallet upon purchase. Selling an NFT is just as straightforward. You simply list your NFT on the marketplace, set your price in Ethereum, and wait for a buyer. Once someone purchases your NFT, the Ethereum will be transferred to your wallet. And there you have it. You're now ready to make your first NFT transaction. Let's take a quick recap of the fascinating world of NFTs. We've journeyed together through the vibrant landscape of non-fungible tokens, those unique digital assets stored on blockchain technology. We've learned that each NFT is distinct, carrying its own set of information that separates it from any other token. We've explored the myriad uses of NFTs, from digital art and music to virtual real estate and even tweets. The possibilities are endless, limited only by our imagination. We've also delved into the buying and selling of NFTs. We've discovered how these transactions take place on various digital marketplaces, using cryptocurrency, and how each sale and purchase is recorded permanently on the blockchain. Remember, the world of NFTs is constantly evolving, so keep exploring, keep learning, and who knows, maybe you'll be the next to make a big splash in this digital sea.